Yeah, this could easily be yanked out if wanted. It is 6 a.m. and Hurricane Milton doesn't let a brother sleep. So you know me, I had to check out what the vibes were outside, and this is what I found out. Everything looked pretty normal to me, but let's check these high value wins that want my attention. Reporting live, it is 6 in the morning. We have is very fast winds out here. Milton, barely here it's tree. Can you see this? Can you see this? RRP. My mango tree. You guys see the mangoes in here? I don't know, there's mangoes here, to be honest.